DataDesk is TextHelp's new tool that allows teachers to manage the features available to students using Google Classroom. To use, navigate to datadesk.texthelp.com and click to log in with your Google account. The first time you use DataDesk, you will be prompted to accept Google Classroom permissions. This allows DataDesk to view the list of students in your class. You'll need this in order to be able to choose which student or students you'd like to add or remove features for. Once logged in, simply click the Classes drop-down to see a list of your classes. Choosing a class will present a drop-down with all students in the class. Continue by selecting all students or individual students who require modified features. Be sure to select the Equatio tab. This will automatically display a list of features that can be turned on or off. Note that all features will be checked regardless of the student's current configuration. Click to turn off as many features as you'd like. In this example, I will turn off the LaTeX editor and the handwriting recognition tool. Then click the Set button. This will display a new window that allows you to set the amount of time you'd like the new feature set to be applied. This is helpful if you want to just turn off a few features for a test or quiz scenario. Otherwise, choose until you set a new configuration and the changes will stay until you go back in to change it. Clicking Save will apply the new feature set to the Equatio toolbars for the selected students. You can view the student's screen to confirm. In most cases, this will be instant, but if you're not seeing the change on the student side, just refresh the page. That's it. To modify these features at any time, just go back to datadesk.texthelp.com.